What's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. So we got a call just to go winch out a truck here, a dump truck that got stuck at a new site. So we're just pulling up here now to do that, and we're gonna pull him out and see how this goes. Apparently he's loaded, so
fire control ambulance on scene.
sorry about that. Apparently he's loaded, so let's see how this goes. Let me get out here and check this thing out. We know here it's solid. We're not gonna turn here. I'm not gonna risk it.
You want to turn around from...
Were they really? Yeah?
They're dumping you.
Yeah, they are? That's what he's gonna do right now.
Safer doing that.
Yeah, I don't want both of us to get stuck. Both of us get stuck, that will suck. Yo, Jay. Yo, he said dump trucks come in here, but it's up to you. You want to back in? I would, personally, I would back in.
Dumping you, but you're not getting stuck.
Yeah, I would.
Besides this, Rick, back in. Honestly, just, yeah, delete all the bullshit.
Yeah.
I would just back in.
Better, I don't want to get stuck.
It's pretty deep, bro.
You are, I know, I see. I've seen pictures. And you're loaded, right?
Yeah.
Are you dumping here? Okay.
It wasn't going this deep, it just sunk in.
Yeah.
If I knew that I'm fucking going in, I would have stopped. There's no way I'm gonna go that far back. And now we start pushing it out and stuff, and that made it even fucking go down.
Bro, cause it's clay, it's gonna be like, it's like glued in right now. We have to lift it. We have to lift it and pull it, lift it and pull it. Yo, these guys were coming with the tractor, right?
Yeah. They're trying to pull in with that little machine, bro. I'm like, there's no way you're gonna pull me with that.
No.
Clear left.
Yeah. Stay here.
Getting stuck in 9 months since I've been working here.
I did one of these.
Yeah?
I did one, yeah, bro. Fuck, oh, my phone's on my thing. Same company, same truck. Not same truck, but
Yeah. Oh, was it?
Ajax. I did it.
The broken fucking...
He was stuck the same way, bro. Same way. I couldn't even get him out.
And that was a couple months ago?
No, summer, yeah. I had my old truck then.
Ajax. Isn't that free wheel? Oh, he was tilted to the left too, eh?
Yeah.
The guy with the... He ties what's it called, like a do-rag kind of thing? Was it
Did he? No, he was just older than us. Like,
older guy?
it's free now. It's free. It's free now.
I don't think this ever came on. Needs grease.
Oh, yeah, it needs grease bad.
And it's fucking, you could hear it, that's not your hand.
I gotta grease it. I just got this truck, so. Yo, Jay, you gotta bring it back this way. We're gonna double the lines. So we're gonna come back with it.
I'm gonna go lock the axle, eh?
Okay. Oh, I know.
two of us that came here today, right?
Yeah.
The second guy popped his airbag.
No.
The plan was to get this out and throw him back with you guys. And then we started building here, so I told him to just get there.
Also, he drove back. Hey? Huh? No, it's not. Same size as the other one. Past this?
Huh?
No, nothing. Jay, put that line up and on the boom for me. Yo, bro, go inside and then
The brakes in.
just release the brakes and sit inside there.
That's it. Should I control the wheel? Because I can't even turn.
Yeah, don't turn it yet. Once you feel like you can, then we'll go from there. Yeah. No, because we're gonna pull it up. We're gonna, because it's on the ground, right? It's like sunken in. You are?
I can't even lift it.
You wanna go to the gym?
Eventually. Look how weak I am. Damn.
It's okay. You're
Why
gonna.
if I put it here?
Let's leave it there for now. And then if worse comes to worse, we'll change it.
It's not the same.
The truck's going to, right? I know. Yo, are they all freewheeled? No, that one's good. That one's good. No. I started pulling them out and
Oh, you're not making a video?
yeah, I'm recording right now. That line, see that big, that suck in the piece there? That piece getting sucked in?
Fuck, hold
It's okay, it's gonna go, it's gonna go. It's
on.
tight.
Fuck it up.
No, it's tight up. You're gonna stand there? Sinking me in. Yo, it's automatic?
Yeah.
Try to drive a little bit. Just a little bit, not a lot.
What do I do here?
Yeah. Okay.
One second.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. It's working when you do that, so. Tell me you're ready, okay? You ready? go. Yo, we're gonna pull it right to my truck. This is why my winch lines go in, okay? Okay, don't drive no more, don't drive no more. Leave your drop axle down. Okay, leave it in neutral now. Leave it in neutral now. Yeah, leave that one down. Hey? Yeah, it helped a lot. So just leave it in neutral now. Let me just pull you and then you're good. You're blessed now. See the truck do a wheelie? You might get stuck right here. You guys might have to come put dirt here.
That's what I was thinking too. Just leave the cable in there and just fucking use this truck to start pull it back in.
When we go to the yard, I'm gonna pull it all the way out and winch it in.
Tell him to start dumping. At least he's straight right now, dump.
Yeah, ask him if he wants to dump right now, if he can dump.
Oh, hold on.
Huh? Yeah, he's leveled. I hope he opened the gate. Oh, he did, good. Oh, there's still some stuck in there. See the box wiggling? Get used to it, but it's the nerve-wracking of it rolling when it's up there on the ground like this, especially.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, do that. Can't hear you.
Have your phone on you?
No. It's okay, we'll put it on anyway.
It's gonna come up.
We'll tighten it.
Bring it on with it.
Have it on? Yo, kick the dirt off. The dirt. Okay, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Have a good one. No worry. See you. That's good, Jay. That little pieces will come off. You get the big ones, you'll get pulled over. Alright guys, that's it for that video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And yeah, peace.